is Sujit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Forester 2.0 liter engine, all-wheel drive, made in Japan, boxer engine, and many more features in this car. So let's begin Forester 2.0 liter engine. But before starting, please like and subscribe. So let's begin Forester. Well, this is the car Forester. Fantastic look, amazing look. I mean, really superb look from the front sides, and the lovely grille, lights with the fog lamps. It's LED light with the xenon light also there. So it's a look really amazing. Let us see from the side how it is. Wow, nice rim design, and 18. R18 is the tire size, and it looks really bigger. See the SUV? It looks really tough SUV in this range, and it also has keyless. From here you can open. Let us see from this side. Wow, fantastic! What a big screen! Lovely screen. Cruise control, Bluetooth, X mode. Wow, this is the X mode. X mode really helps in off-road driving. So overall it looks really amazing and really stylish, this Forester. Let us see from the back side how the car looks. Wow, excellent. I mean, symmetrical all-wheel drive. Symmetrical all-wheel drive means balance on the road is really superb. And look at the mileage, how it is. Wow, 15.1, which is excellent. And look at from the side. Wow, really amazing. And automatic chair. Wow, automatically chair you can adjust. Wow. So overall I believe it is a good car, and the car also has good feature. Overall pack is really super for this car. And look at from this side how it is. Wow, wow, wow. Forester. Let's see the boot. How is the size? And it also has a back camera. Wow. Excellent. And this is the screen from this side. So overall the Forester looks really stylish and really superb. And with this design, the Forester I would definitely recommend, because mileage is good, made in Japan, boxer engine, and all-wheel drive system give you more advantage on off-road and on-road driving. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Forester is a really superb car, 2.0 liter engine with all-wheel drive, boxer engine, made in Japan, with cruise control, Bluetooth, and many more features in this car. I would definitely recommend this car if somebody is planning in a lower range car, because 2.0 liter also give a good mileage. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you soon with the next video.